Very nice today on the 11th of April 2005 when we have Ratastie 5 sticks. We're here in Turenki, Janakkala, Finland. And it was built in 1974, modernized in 1998 with the Kone fixtures, so the old demonstration is also a bit unnecessary, but still. There's in Ratastie 1210, modernized.
Yeah, at 2. Yeah. The light doesn't work.
Yeah. These new doors were unnecessary.
Yeah.
The best is 4 between 20 grams. And this is with the code that, but we haven't found it yet.
Yeah.
And I think it's a bottom trim.
Yeah.
The building and the staircase they were renovated in 98, probably in 98.
Yeah. It's a bit like you guys don't maintain about so nowadays grab this.
Instead of the door opening, it's a stop button.
Yeah.
And I think the machine is still about the original.
Yeah.
Yes. And that's it. Thanks for watching.
That's